Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see at the very top of those section, we've got the preview of our lock screen and home screen. Under it we've got some options from which we can choose the wallpaper, so we can choose the wallpaper from my wallpapers. Let's enter it, and as you can see here we've got the list of preloaded ones. Let's get back. We can tap of course on a gallery, so we will be able to choose the wallpaper from our own photos. Let's get back, and if you will have an internet connection, you can tap on explore more wallpapers, and here you can download some new ones. But let me get back and let's enter my wallpapers. If you want to set the live wallpaper, then tap on the three dots icon, tap on live wallpapers, and if you will have any compatible wallpapers, they will appear right here and you will be able to choose them. Let me get back, and if you want to check how the particular one will look like, then simply tap on it. Let's choose for example this one. Let's tap on it, and now you can decide where you want to set the wallpaper, so you can set it on the home screen, a lock screen, or both. So I think I will choose both. Here we've got the preview, so if you are ready to set it, simply tap on set on lock and home screens. And as you can see, our device is telling us that the wallpaper has been successfully applied. Let's get back. As you can see, it is visible on the previews. Let's go to the home screen, and it is also successfully applied. So that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.